Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IK Sir Chemistry classes. In this video, we will discuss whole formalism and its implications. First of all, let us see what are microstates. The various distinct electronic arrangements for a given electronic configuration which are permissible in accordance with Pauli's exclusion principle having slightly different energies are called microstates. It means the various distinct electronic arrangements for a given electronic configuration which are allowed according to Pauli's exclusion principle and which differ slightly in energy are called microstates. The number of microstates for a given electronic configuration is denoted by n. Significance of microstates. The microstates are characterized by a specific values of ml, that is magnetic orbital quantum number, and ms, that is magnetic spin quantum number of electrons present in the given set of orbitals. A certain microstate is characterized by a specific values of ml and ms of the electrons present in the given set of orbitals. The microstates are used for the derivation of a spectroscopic states for a given electronic configuration. Illustration. In P1 electronic configuration, one electron is to be placed in a set of 3 orbitals, that is p subcell. In P1 electronic configuration, one electron is to be placed in p subcell which contains 3 orbitals, and it can be done in 6 different ways. And on writing these microstates, the ground state for P1 electronic configuration has been derived to be doublet P. Let us see these 6 microstates for P1 electronic configuration. It means one electron can be placed in the p subcell in 6 different ways, which are called microstates. This is microstate number 1, in which one electron is placed in the first box having the value of ml equal to +1. This is ml, total orbital quantum number along z-axis, and it is equal to summation of ml values, and it is equal to 1. ms, it is total spin quantum number along z-axis, and it is equal to the summation of ms values, and it is equal to 1 by 2. There is second electronic arrangement, second microstate, in which the electron with alpha spin is present in the middle box having ml equals to 0. In the third microstate, the electron is present in the third box having ml equals to -1. And in fourth microstate, the electron having beta spin, that is ms equals to -1 by 2, is present in the first box with ml equals to +1. In fifth electronic arrangement, the electron is present having beta spin in middle box having ml equals to 0, and its ms equals to -1 by 2. And in the sixth electronic arrangement, the electron with beta spin is present in the last box having ml equals to -1. Thus, there are 6 microstates. There are 6 electronic arrangements for p1 electronic configuration. And on the basis of these microstates, the ground state term symbol for p1 electronic configuration has been derived to be doublet p. Number of microstates. The number of microstates, that is capital N, for a given electronic configuration can be calculated using the following relationship. And it is number of microstates for E electrons which can be distributed among n electron sites is equal to factorial n divided by factorial E into n minus E factorial, where n is the twice of number of orbitals available in the given subcell. Please note that maximum 2 electrons can be placed in one orbital, and therefore in a given set of orbitals as many electrons can be placed as twice of the number of orbitals. That is, n is maximum number of electrons which can be accommodated in the given set of orbitals. For example, in p subcell there are 3 orbitals and maximum 6 electrons can be accommodated in the p subcell. N is the twice of number of orbitals available in the given subcell. In D subcell, there are 5 orbitals and therefore n will be 5 into 2. That is, maximum 10 electrons can be accommodated in the D subcell. And E is the number of electrons. E electrons can be placed in n electron sites in these ways: factorial n divided by factorial E into n minus E factorial, and this expression gives the number of microstates. Number of microstates for p2 configuration. There are 3 orbitals available in the p subcell, and therefore a small n will be equal to twice of 3, that is 6. Maximum 6 electrons can be accommodated in the p subcells. That is, there are 6 electron positions in p subcell. E, number of electrons, is equal to 2, and therefore number of microstates can be calculated as follows: factorial 6 divided by factorial 2 into 6 minus 2 factorial. Factorial 6 can be written as 6 into 5 into factorial 4, and factorial 2 is equal to 2 into 1, and it is factorial 4. Factorial 4 will be cancelled out and the overall result will be 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Thus, there are 15 microstates for p2 electronic configuration. It means 2 electrons can be placed in the p subcell in 15 different ways. These are the microstates for p2 configuration. Let us now calculate the number of microstates for p4 electronic configuration. There are 3 orbitals available in the p subcell. Therefore, the value of n is 6 as discussed earlier, and the number of electrons is 4, and the number of microstates can be given as 4 electrons can be distributed among 6 electron positions in these different ways, and on solving again the result is 15. It means 4 electrons can be accommodated in the p subcell, can be arranged in the p subcell in 15 different ways. Hole. The vacancy for electron in a given set of orbitals is called hole or unoccupied electron site. The vacancy for electron in a given set of orbitals is called hole or unoccupied electron site. Number of holes is equal to number of electron sites minus number of electrons. For p4 electronic configuration, there are 2 holes. Number of electron sites in p subcell is 6 and number of electrons is 4, and therefore there will be 2 holes in p4 electronic configuration as illustrated in this diagram. There are 4 electrons in p subcell and there are 2 vacancies, 2 holes in p4 electronic configuration. These are holes where electrons can be accommodated. There are 2 holes in p4 electronic configuration. Hole formalism. The system having e electrons for less than half-filled subcell or n minus e holes for more than half-filled subcell. Let us see it again. For a system having e electrons or n minus e holes in a given set of orbitals have the same number of microstates and hence are equivalent and they have the same spectroscopic states. It is known as hole formalism. For example, p2 configuration having 2 electrons and p4 configuration having 2 holes have the same number of microstates equal to 15 as calculated earlier, and hence they are equivalent and they have same microscopic states. There is another example for D subcell. D1 and D9 electronic configurations are equivalent. D1 electronic configuration has 1 electron more than D0 configuration. On the other hand, D9 electronic configuration has 1 electron less than D10 electronic configuration, and hence these are equivalent, and both of them, D1 and D9, have same spectroscopic state, and it is nothing but doublet D. This is D1 electronic configuration. It contains 1 electrons more than D0 electronic configuration, and it is D9 electronic configuration which contains 1 hole, 1 vacancy for electron in this orbital, and it has 1 electron less than D10 electronic configuration. D1 electronic configuration and D9 electronic configuration are equivalent. One contains 1 electron while other contains 1 hole, and they have the same spectroscopic state, doublet D. Significance of hole formalism. The spectroscopic states for configurations more than half-filled can be written using number of holes rather than number of electrons, which is easier. The hole formalism is useful in the interpretation of a spectra of transition metal ions having lower number of holes than number of electrons, that is D subcell is more than half-filled. The hole formalism is important in the interpretation of a spectra of transition metal ions having lower number of holes than electrons, that is in the case of transition metal ions having more than half-filled D subcell, and the splitting of a certain state in a certain crystal field for a system having X electrons is different to that of a system having X holes. It means in a certain crystal field, the splitting of a certain state having X electrons is different to the splitting that in a system having X number of holes. It can be illustrated as follows. This is the Orgel diagram for D1 octahedral complexes in which doublet D state splits up into doublet T2G ground state and doublet EG ground state, excited state. This is excited state and this is ground state. This is Orgel diagram for D1 octahedral complexes having one electron in the D subcell. On the other hand, the Orgel diagram for D9 octahedral complexes having one hole in the D subcell is just opposite to that of D1 octahedral complexes in which doublet D state splits up into doublet EG, which is the ground state, while doublet T2G is here excited state. It is the just opposite situation to the Orgel diagram of D1 octahedral complexes. Spectroscopic states for transition metal ions with various electronic configurations are given in the following table. D1, it contains one electron. D9, it contains one hole. These have the same number of microstates 10 and their spectroscopic state is doublet D. Similarly, D2 having two electrons in the D subcell and D8 having two holes in the D subcell have 45 microstates and their spectroscopic states with highest spin multiplicity are triplet F and triplet P. The derivation of these spectroscopic states have been discussed in the previous video named as derivation of spectroscopic states. D3 having 3 electrons in the D subcell and D7 having 3 holes in the D subcell, 10 minus 7, that is 3 holes in the D subcell, have 120 microstates and their spectroscopic states having highest spin multiplicity are quartet F and quartet P. Similarly, D4 having 4 electrons in the D subcell and D6 having 10 minus 6, that is 4 holes in the D subcell, have 210 microstates and the spectroscopic state is quintet D. And finally, D5, which contains 5 electrons or 5 holes in the D subcell, has 252 microstates and the spectroscopic state is sextet S. Thus, we see that the transition metal ions having X electrons and X hole in the D subcell have the same number of microstates and the same spectroscopic states. Thus, whole formalism is quite useful in the derivation of spectroscopic states for transition metal ions having more than half-filled D subcell. Thank you for watching the video with patience. Please like and share it. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it so that you may get information regarding my new videos in time. Thank you again.